Naval Station, Felix Apolinario, Anacan, Davao City. Pursuant to General Orders number 48, 4950, dated 14 February 2025, Gold Cross Medal for an act of conspicuous courage and gallantry as platoon leader, squad leader, and members of the squad Bravo Company, 38th Infantry Python Battalion, 4th Infantry Diamond Division, Philippine Army, during an encounter with more or less 10 fully armed members of Regional Headquarters, Northeastern Mindanao Regional Committee, under Mirna Solarte, alias Maria Malaya, EI at Vicinity, Sitio Imelda, Barangay Pianing, Butuan City, on 30 February 2025, that resulted to the neutralization of one body count identified as Mirna Solarte, alias Maria Malaya, EI, Secretary of RHQ and MRC, and one backpack with personal belongings. By this gallantry, above named personnel exemplify the finest tradition of Filipino soldiery, thereby earning the honor not only for themselves and the Philippine Army, but for the entire armed forces of the Philippines as well. The Gold Cross Medal is hereby awarded to Second Lieutenant Jonas I. Dugue, Officer Class 22162, Infantry, Philippine Army. Corporal Limuel C. Bacabis, 923929, Infantry, Philippine Army. Corporal Lester L. Pagal, 932927, Infantry, Philippine Army. Private First Class Jose Sagani P. De Guzman, Jr., 946440, Infantry, Philippine Army. Private First Class Glenn P. Gardones, 963653, Infantry, Philippine Army. Private First Class Eleuterio D. Estampa Jr., 952867, Infantry, Philippine Army. Private First Class John Albert P. Paguntalan, 963709, Infantry, Philippine Army. Private First Class Hyacinth T. Taldo, 956067, Infantry, Philippine Army. Private First Class Jason J. Lubeno, 966647, Infantry, Philippine Army. And Private Clifford Lavilla, 982781, Infantry, Philippine Army. For gallantry in action while serving as the Team Sergeant and members of 8 Special Forces Team 804 Bombo 8 Special Forces Dragons Company, 3rd Special Forces Arrowhead Battalion, Special Forces Regiment Airborne, Philippine Army under the operational control of the 4th Unite and Fight Brigade, 4th Infantry Diamond Division, Philippine Army, during an encounter against more or less 4 CTGs believed to be members of Regional Centro de Gravidad, NEMRC, under alias Waco, at Sitio Atipunan, Barangay San Lorenzo, Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur, on 13 February 2025, that resulted to the neutralization of 2 enemy body counts, Dali Garcia alias Joven and alias Gaga, and the capture of 2 pieces Nokia keypad cell phone, 2 blasting caps, 2 backpacks, 1 Baofeng commercial radio, 1 hand grenade, 1 Claymore mine IED, assorted medicine and medical paraphernalia, a CTG notebook with high intelligence value, subversive documents and personal belongings. By these courageous acts and gallant deeds, above named personnel exemplify the finest tradition of Filipino soldiery, thereby earning distinct credit and honor not only for themselves and the Philippine Army, but for the whole armed forces of the Philippines as well. Same medal is awarded to Staff Sergeant Jefferson A. Toledo, 872004, Infantry, Philippine Army. Corporal Julier D. Berha, 879838, Military Intelligence, Philippine Army. Corporal Jake G. Podisar, 931841, Infantry, Philippine Army. Corporal Joseph D. Amansek, 901319, Infantry, Philippine Army. Corporal Ro Art Obakay, 905243, Infantry, Philippine Army.
Wala mo makuha.
And Corporal Leonardo D. Galavilla Jr., 913399, Infantry, Philippine Army. For gallant action while serving as operating troops of 29th Infantry Matatag Battalion, 4th Infantry Diamond Division, Philippine Army, during the encounter against more or less 9 CNTS believed to be members of Platoon 1 SRSGG Westland NEMRC, led by alias Muling, who were currently securing the RHU NEMRC under Mirna Sularte alias Maria Malaya at Sitio Tinakpan, Barangay Los Angeles, Bituan City, Agusan del Norte, that resulted to the neutralization of 2 enemy body counts identified as Edgardo Dumaking alias Toto and Benedicto Asidera alias Noche, 1 AK-47 rifle, 1 5.56mm Bushmaster rifle, 1 magazine of AK-47 loaded with 27 rounds, 1 magazine of 5.56, assorted medical supplies and personal belongings. By these courageous acts and gallant deeds, above named personnel earned credit, distinct credits, and honor not only for themselves and this command, but for the Philippine Army as well. The same medal is awarded to First Lieutenant Bernard F. Magaduan, Officer Draft 20671, Quartermaster Service, Philippine Army. And Private First Class Library Boy M. Labe, 963794, Infantry, Philippine Army. By Commando Lieutenant General Bergante, Official Jory L. Baclor, Colonel, Philippine Army, MNSA, Chief of Unified Command Staff, signed Junel D. Beltran, Lieutenant Colonel, Philippine Air Force, Command Adjutant.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to our ORPs. We look forward to